mafia, chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not bad. Deep, keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a fun little project removing Rhino Liner from the hood of my R32 GTR. As you can see, this hood has a thick layer of Rhino Liner on it. And we're gonna be stripping it down using a product called Citrus Strip. This stuff is a citrus-based paint remover that works really well on tough coatings like Rhino Liner. And you can grab it pretty much at any hardware store, making it easy for anybody looking to do this kind of job. Now, this project was completed a couple of months ago and we wanted to show you guys the process, but well, life got in the way, and during this time Oliver was born. And honestly, we just didn't have the proper time to finish the video up and share it with you. But we're finally here and we're ready to walk you through the process of how to remove the Rhino Liner. Before we start, make sure the surface is clean of any loose dirt or debris. You want a nice clean surface for the citrus strip to do its thing. Alright, now that we got the surface cleaned up, it's time to apply the citrus strip. Make sure you coat the whole area evenly. You don't need to be super precise, but just make sure you get a thick, even layer on the Rhino Liner. Citrus strip works by breaking down the bond between the coating and the surface underneath, so it takes a little time. It's important to let it sit for at least 24 hours after applying it. While that's happening, you want to cover the chemical with some plastic sheeting to keep it from drying out too quickly. After applying the citrus strip, you want to cover the area with plastic sheeting. This helps keep the chemical moist and working its magic. Let it sit for a full 24 hours before we move on to the next step. So unfortunately, we didn't capture the process of scraping off the Rhino Liner, but trust me, it's pretty straightforward. You just take the plastic scraper and gently work the Rhino Liner off. It should come off in big chunks, and you might need to reapply citrus strip in certain spots if it's not fully lifting. Hey guys, after 24 hours, I'm ready to take out the chemical that we use to take the plastic dip out of the hood, finally, after a couple of years of having the car. So we're gonna do that now. We left it 24 hours and now it's time to take it off with a scraper. Make sure that is not a metal one, it has to be plastic. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in case you want to do this to the car. I'm gonna show that it has, after I'm done, that it took some paint off also. So yeah, I wasn't supposed to take the paint off, but it works because I'm gonna dip it, not dip it, I'm gonna wrap it. So, you know, I've been missing for a month, but I changed job, now my wife is pregnant. There's a lot of things that I want to show you guys. So for now we're gonna do this and I'll show you the end result. Okay guys, so we did take all the plastic dip on it. We had to leave it 24 hours, but as you guys can see, we have some issues. I wasn't thinking that it was gonna peel the paint, even though it was a possibility, but it did. So in a way it works, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to grab the hood for now, but I gotta take all this. You guys see, this material is really good. I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean with the material. It's a paint remover that I saw on YouTube. Somebody was doing it, super easy. To be honest, we leave it 24 hours. So I put it yesterday, I left it on, and then now I'm taking it off. So I'm gonna do a time lapse so you guys can see how I'm gonna take it off. And then the next step eventually is to grab the hood. For now, still have a lot of things to do. Eventually, there's a lot of things that I want to do. So that's how you remove Rhino Liner from your car parts using citrus strip. It's very simple, but be very patient. It does take time. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more projects, or comment below if you have done projects like this or you have tips for others. And stay tuned, because on the next video we're going to be tackling the full restoration of the exterior of this car, fixing some rust and wrapping it. Until the next one, and thank you.